AMI Organics. Remember, it's been a fundamental idea that we've been discussing here on ET now, and there's now a news development as well with Norges Bank, which also manages the Norwegian government's pension fund, buying over 10 lakh shares worth about 100 crore rupees in AMI Organics, which is, of course, a specialty chemicals firm. My colleague Sharad now joining in with that. Over to you, Sharad.
Well, yes, Norges Bank has acquired 3% stake in the company as well, and a lot of institutional investment advisors are also stating that the domestic numbers are looking very good for them, and they have recently met ValueQuest and UTI Mutual Fund in the analyst meets as well. And Dilip Bhatt of Prabhudas Leeladhar has stated at ET now that the stock can be a multi-bagger in the next 2 to 3 years as well. They're expecting that the EBITDA can jump to 25% levels and the turnover numbers can double in the near future. So even the ROEs, the return on equity, is expected to jump to more than 27% against the average of 25%. Other key important public shareholders include Ashish Kacholia, who's having 2.1% stake, and also Malabar India Fund and Plutus Wealth Management. Now let's look at the key triggers for the stock going ahead, and they have signed a 10-year agreement with Fermion for supply of intermediates, and they expected to increase their sales to almost 23% over the next 3 years. And also the developed products which they are having, the patents will go on until 2035. That means a very strong revenue visibility would be there for the stocks as well. Now, apart from this, the risks also include further increase in raw material costs, additional competition in the core products, and lastly, the delay in new product launches.
Thanks very much, Sharad. We'll be watching out for this stock. And of course, yesterday as well, it was in the news as the company signed that 10-year contract with Fermion supply of intermediaries.